My theories that I chose to combine are the Adlerian, person-centered, and existential theories. Here you see a yogurt dip and a sugar cookie. This represents the patient and the client before they start their relationship and their working alliance working together. I then turned, through the course of using the integration of the aforementioned therapies, the product into a sugar cookie pizza with the blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, and the sugar cookie and the yogurt and fruit dip being the completed therapy relationship. I used Adlerian theory because it focuses on joint responsibility, mutual trust and respect, mutually determining goals, and finding and exploring faulty assumptions and mistaking goals in clients' lifestyle. I like that you can use this in child guidance, parent-child counseling, marital family therapy, individual counseling, correctional rehabilitation, group and substance abuse programs. And the Adlerian portion would be the blueberries. The blackberries represent the existential theory. It accurately grasps clients' being in the world. We establish a personal and authentic encounter. Both the client and the counselor can be changed. Love this aspect. It addresses freedom, responsibility, isolation, meaning, and meaninglessness, living and dying. I love the applications. It can be used for individual or group counseling, couple family therapy, crisis intervention, community mental health work. The strawberries represent person-centered therapy. Relationship is focused on first. Its use of genuineness, empathy, unconditional positive regard, and warmth helps clients transfer those feelings to other relationships in their life. Love the non-judgmental aspect. I think the world judges too much, and clients using this approach would feel that their counselor is providing them a calming and warm atmosphere, which could get the relationship and communication flowing more effectively. The applications, you can use this in teaching, parent-child relations, and groups from diverse multicultural backgrounds. Again, we started with the counselor and the fruit dip. And what we ended up with was a positive relationship, moving the client forward in future success and relevancy in their lifestyle. Thank you.